History, 6 out of 10. Architecture, 4 out of 10. Atmosphere, 5 out of 10. Waterway setting, 5 out of 10. Unassuming girder crossing sat on one of the most industrially layered stretches of the whole Wyrley and Essington. Overall, 5 out of 10. Goscote Works Bridge, Wyrley and Essington Canal, Walsall. This one carries Goscote Lane over the cut, and the ground either side of it used to earn its keep. Back in the late 1800s, there was a proper cluster here. Goscote Ironworks stood just up the towpath, a boiler works, and Goscote Old Colliery sat on the far bank, and a little further along, behind what's still an impressively solid brick wall, Elkingtons had their copper refinery, the same Birmingham firm famous for pioneering electroplating. None of that survives above ground now, but the bridge is still doing the job it was built for. Structurally, it's a riveted steel girder deck on brick and concrete abutments, painted black, and showing its age, there's a rust hole punched clean through one of the beams underneath. The nameplate's still legible on the brickwork if you know where to look, which is more than can be said for some of its neighbours further down the line. Below, the water's thick with duckweed and algae, more static pond than working waterway along this section, and there's a bit of graffiti on the abutment for good measure. Goscote Works Bridge. Plain steel, buried industry underneath. Ranking Britain's canal bridges, until I can afford a narrowboat.